Hello Internet. Today we have yet another 4090 that came in for repair. And no, it's not the burned connector, because if it was, this GPU would have most likely end up on the bench of this guy. But it didn't, which means it has a problem that only a few people on this planet can fix. I just happen to be one of them, and you're lucky you found me. In any case, let's take this thing apart and see what's going on. Card is disassembled, everything is looking like new, so I will quickly go over with some basic measurements, which did not reveal anything abnormal. And by the way, if you're interested in more detailed measurements, please join my Discord server where you will find this and a lot more. In any case, I didn't find anything suspicious, so I will power the board and check for voltages, which were also normal. I also checked for every power stage. Sometimes that can prevent the GPU from displaying an image, so it's best to make sure that all of them work. And with that done, it is now safe to plug the card into the motherboard and see if it produces an image. And it does, which is very strange. Drivers loaded and I've rebooted the system, and then black screen. According to the keyboard, system is frozen, so I had to force shut down, followed by another reboot, after which everything seemed to work just fine. Weird. I don't know what's going on, but it seems to work, as you can see. I even tried bending and twisting the board while it was running, in hopes to expose a broken solder joint, but that did not help. So, assuming there's nothing to fix, and that it was my own PC's fault, I proceeded with the assembly, powered the card, and nothing. Okay, that's the best news today, and the reason why is that we get to disassemble the card once again and maybe get it fixed. Given the size and weight of this GPU, the only possible cause for such behavior is a broken solder joint, which means I need to reball the core. I will also reball the two memory chips that are closest to the PCI Express slot, just in case, so let's do that and see if it helps. Okay, reball is complete. Using this questionable test result device, I'll check for data line connections, followed by resistances, and finally voltage. All seemed well, so let's boot the card and see if it produces a picture. Okay, we have a picture, so I'll go ahead and assemble the card and proceed with a series of stress tests, which, as you can see, runs stable. And with that said, according to the owner, support bracket was used, but due to the weight of this GPU, even support did not help. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys have learned something today, and if so, please hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe for more repairs. Goodbye.
Guys, check out my new favorite channel. It is so good. Oh my god. Look at it.